Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Otter Pop cozy. It's pretty simple. I think on this one that I'm going to make, I think I'm actually going to use little googly eyes. But you're going to need your choice of worsted weight yarn in green. And this time around I'm using Red Heart Super Saver Tea Leaf. And I'm going to make the Ninja Turtle red this time, and I'm using Red Heart with Love Holly Berry. And you're gonna need your G-hook, and then if you want, you can either do the felt with embroidery floss eyeballs, or you can do googly eyes. It's totally up to you. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're gonna do first is grab your yarn, and you're going to chain 9, but we're gonna start with a slip knot first, which is like so. You put your yarn over, you insert your hook, and you pull up a yarn, tighten but not too tight, and you're going to chain 9, which is yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're going to half double crochet into the second chain from hook. Not this one, that's 1. We're going to do it in this one, which is 2. So yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. That's 1 half double crochet. Yarn over into your next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. That's 2 half double crochet, and we're going to do that all the way across. So that was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to work on this side. So we're going to do a half double crochet in that same chain space, but we're going to kind of move our yarn tail over. And so now we're going to work on this side. So that was 1. And now we're going to work in these little spaces that we already made, working on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we're going to slip stitch to the very first one here. So you insert your hook and you just pull the yarn through and pull it through the other loop, and then chain 1. And this is where I weave in my ends for my bottom part. Just, it's easier. I'm here, why not? Okay. Snippy, snippy. Okay, so now we're going to do, how many rows here? We're going to do a total of 7 rows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to do 7 rounds of half double crochet. So we just did 1 round. So we need a total of 7 rounds, or we're going to have 16 half double crochets all around. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Insert into your first stitch, slip stitch, chain 1. Okay, so we did 2. So let's do 5 more rows, 5 more rounds of the green and half double crochet. Okay, I've done my 7 rounds of half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to slip stitch it, but I'm not going to chain 1 because I'm going to change the color to red. Come on, there we are. And this is how I change my color. I loop it through, and then I change one. Oh, I chain 1. I'm doing videos all day. I'm going cuckoo. Okay, and then we're going to do 2 rounds of half double crochet in this new color. Whatever color you want. I believe there's orange, red, blue, purple, and I think there's 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Chain 1. Slip stitch, chain 1. Let's do another round, and don't cut off your green yet because you're going to use it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, we're going to slip stitch it to the very first one, but we're going to change back to green. And chain and chain. And then we're going to do 2 rounds of the green and half double crochet. I could cut the red off now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, one more. 1, 16, slip stitch, chain 1, and now we're just going to do a round of single crochet just to kind of finish it off. So single crochets, you're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Slip stitch to the first one, chain 1, and snippy snippy. Okay, so we're done with this for right now. And then you take your red and your G-hook still, and you're going to chain 13. So you do your slip knot and then chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm doing way too many. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and then we're going to half double crochet in the second chain from your hook and all the way across, and you should have 12 half double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Chain 1. Snippy, snippy. Okay, so you got these two things. Okay, so let's weave in our ends on our things here because we need to attach. Okay, so there's the strap. Okay, so you've tied off, knotted, weaved in all your ends, and then what I do, I just happen to have this extra piece of yarn right here, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to tie a knot. You can always just cut a piece of yarn. Okay, and I'm going to attach it to the side right here. So I'll just go right here. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back in. And then, like so. But then I'm gonna go through my knot here, because then I only have to go and knot one other item. So there's, okay. Just play with it however you like it, however you want it. I like it like that. Alright, I'm just gonna split this and tie it in a knot so it doesn't fall apart or separate. Okay. Now I just need to add my googly eyes. Okay, let's glue those suckers on. And voila! Hi-ya! Okay, that's freaking adorable. So there you go. You have either the one with the felt and stitched eye, but I think this is cuter. The eye could have been probably bigger, but that's okay. I think they came out cute. So there you go. There you guys have it. I hope you guys make it, like it, share it, and I will see you guys on the next one.